Imagine a treasure map that leads you directly to undervalued real estate ripe for renovation and profit a circumflex euros. That's the power of Propstream's zombie property filter. Today, we're diving deep into how Propstream helps you identify these zombie properties, a circumflex euros, vacant homes that have entered the foreclosure process. These are prime opportunities for savvy investors looking to revitalize communities and achieve significant returns. The first step is to navigate to the search filters within Propstream here. We'll focus on 2 key criteria to define our zombie properties. Under the Property Characteristics section, we'll select Vacant from the Occupancy Status dropdown. This isolates properties that are currently unoccupied. Next, we head over to the pre-foreclosure filters. We want to add in specific foreclosure stages to pinpoint those properties that are actively going through the legal process. This includes selecting options like lease pendens, notice of default, and an auction sale date. By combining these filters a circumflex euros, vacant status with active foreclosure proceedings a circumflex euros, Propstream visually presents you with potential zombie properties on its interactive map. You'll see distinct markers indicating these opportunities. Clicking on a property will bring up its detailed information. Look for indicators like no current utility usage, overgrown landscaping, and other signs of neglect. The foreclosure status will also be clearly listed here. Identifying these properties is just the beginning. Investors can then strategically acquire these distressed assets, poor in renovations, and transform them into desirable homes, effectively revitalizing neighborhoods and contributing positively to community development. Propstream's zombie property filter isn't just a tool. It's your gateway to profitable real estate ventures and impactful community improvement.